Welcome back to Tech Goods, the channel where we bring you deep dive reviews of the latest and most exciting tech gadgets on the market. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth reviews. Today, we're taking a long ride, both literally and figuratively, into the world of electric dirt bikes. We're talking about the Soleil01 electric dirt bike by Tuttio. It's a rugged, powerful, and surprisingly versatile 2,000-watt electric motorcycle built for teens and adults alike. With a top speed of 37 miles per hour, hydraulic brakes, dual suspension, and fat tires designed for off-road adventures, this bike promises a thrilling ride. But how does it really perform over time? What should buyers know before investing their money? Stay with us for this extended 80-minute review where we'll break down everything from specifications and performance to real-world user experiences and helpful tips. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The Tuttio Soleil01 arrives in a well-packaged box weighing about 105 pounds. It includes all the essentials you need to get started, such as a toolkit and charger. One thing to keep in mind is that it does not come with axle grease, which you might want to pick up separately to make the wheel installation process smoother. Putting the bike together is fairly straightforward, especially if you've assembled bikes before. The components are clearly labeled and the included tools are better quality than expected. Right out of the box, the Soleil01 feels solid, with a sleek black finish and rugged design that looks and feels premium. The aluminum alloy frame is both strong and lightweight, making a great first impression. From a design perspective, Tuttio has delivered a product that feels well thought out. The forged aluminum alloy frame provides durability while keeping the weight manageable. It supports riders up to 265 pounds, which is excellent for a bike that also caters to teenagers. The seat is high density and anti-slip, and the bike's overall size is 59.8 by 31.1 by 39.3 inches. It's compact without feeling too cramped, which makes it ideal for teens and smaller adults. The dual suspension system is one of the highlights of the bike. The front hydraulic fork and rear air spring shock absorber work together to reduce impact from bumps and uneven terrain. The ergonomics are generally good, though taller riders might find the legroom a bit limited. Now let's move on to performance. The 2,000-watt brushless motor is the heart of this bike, and it delivers plenty of torque and acceleration. Under ideal conditions, it can hit a top speed of 37 miles per hour. The throttle supports 3 riding modes: Eco, Tour, and Sport. Each mode limits the speed, so Eco mode caps you at around 15 miles per hour. Tour mode raises that to about 22 miles per hour, and Sport mode lets you push toward the full 34 to 37 miles per hour range. The acceleration in Sport mode is immediate and exciting, but beginners should definitely start with Eco mode to get a feel for the torque. The responsiveness of the motor makes this bike a joy to ride, especially on open trails or light hills. The Tuttio Soleil01 comes with a 48-volt 21-ampere-hour lithium battery, which gives it an edge over many competitors. On a full charge, you can expect up to 43 miles of range under optimal conditions. That is excellent, especially since it offers more capacity and range than most electric dirt bikes in this price category. Charging the battery takes between 6 to 7 hours, which is reasonable for a battery of this size. The range you get will depend on your riding style, weight, terrain, and selected mode. If you stick with Eco or Tour mode and ride on flat surfaces, you can likely approach the full 43-mile range. More aggressive riding in Sport mode will bring that down to around 20 to 25 miles, which is still respectable. Suspension is one area where the Soleil01 stands out. The front hydraulic fork and rear high-stiffness air spring shock absorber do an excellent job of softening bumps and rough terrain. Whether you're on gravel, trails, or small jumps, the suspension keeps the ride comfortable and controlled. The fat tires are another highlight. The 14-inch front and 12-inch rear tires provide great grip and stability. They are also puncture-resistant, which gives you more confidence when riding off-road. Together, the suspension and tires help deliver a ride that feels both responsive and secure. The Soleil01 features hydraulic disc brakes on both wheels, and they are a significant upgrade from mechanical systems commonly found in lower-end models. The braking is sharp, responsive, and reliable. This level of stopping power is essential for a bike that can travel above 30 miles per hour. The levers feel smooth and don't require excessive pressure. The bike also incorporates a thoughtful safety system with speed-limiting modes, making it safe for teens or less experienced riders. The overall build is heavy enough to feel stable but light enough to handle easily, thanks to its low center of gravity and ergonomic frame design. Looking at real-world usage, many riders are thrilled with the Soleil01's performance. One user who weighs around 230 pounds used the bike for overlanding trips and praised its torque, speed, and stability. He especially appreciated the ability to switch between modes depending on the terrain. On the downside, he experienced a flat tire on his first ride and noted that replacement tires are hard to find locally. His quick solution was to use tire slime, which worked effectively. Another customer had a motor failure but was impressed with Tuttio's responsive customer service. They provided a replacement motor and even a detailed video tutorial to guide the installation. These stories show that while there may be occasional issues, the company is committed to helping its customers. There is more to this bike than what comes out of the box. Some users have discovered a programming dongle and mobile app that allow you to unlock higher speeds. Although this is not officially recommended, many have reported excellent results. Post-modification, Eco Mode can reach 20 miles per hour, Tour Mode goes up to 30 miles per hour, and Sport Mode can break the 40 miles per hour mark. These changes make a big difference in performance, but they also increase the stress on components like the brakes and tires. If you decide to explore this customization, be sure you understand the trade-offs and use the bike responsibly. To keep the Soleil01 running in top shape, regular maintenance is key. Start by checking tire pressure and keeping the chain lubricated. If you're assembling the bike yourself, apply axle grease to ensure smooth wheel operation. After longer rides or heavy use, it's wise to inspect the brake fluid levels and suspension components. Clean the bike after every off-road session, especially if you've been through mud or dust. Store the battery in a dry, cool place and charge it properly to maintain long-term health. While the included toolkit is decent, investing in a better wrench and screwdriver set is recommended for ongoing maintenance. Let's sum up the strengths and weaknesses of the Tuttio Soleil01. On the positive side, it offers a powerful 2,000-watt motor, impressive battery range, strong dual suspension, responsive hydraulic brakes, and an appealing design. It also supports speed-limiting modes that make it safe for new riders. On the downside, replacement parts like tires may be hard to source, and taller riders might find the frame size slightly restrictive. Some speed limitations may require tuning to reach full potential. Still, considering the price point and performance package, the pros clearly outweigh the cons. The Tuttio Soleil01 is ideal for riders who want a reliable and exciting electric dirt bike without breaking the bank. It's great for teenagers, young adults, and anyone looking to explore trails, dirt roads, or rural paths. It's especially useful for campers and pit bikers who need a compact secondary ride. While it is not designed for daily urban commuting, it excels in recreational and adventure settings. Beginners will appreciate the speed modes, and experienced riders will enjoy the torque and mod potential. After spending time analyzing this electric dirt bike, it's clear that Tuttio has created a winner with the Soleil01. It hits the sweet spot between performance, affordability, and safety. The 2,000-watt motor, long-lasting battery, solid suspension, and stylish build make it a fun and practical choice for off-road enthusiasts. While it has a few areas for improvement, such as tire availability and height limitations, these are minor compared to everything the bike does right. It's easy to see why this bike is getting so much attention in the e-mobility space. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Goods, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, especially if you own this bike or are thinking about buying one. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride smart and stay safe. See you in the next video.